sending it. It sounds sick, mate. So yes guys, what's happening? Good evening. Now, welcome to another video. Back on the cheeky little Turbo MX5. Now, as you just seen in the last video, we were down at S.P.A. We were down here pretty much, and we're here again, clearly, because she's running sick. She's up and running absolutely amazing, and at the moment I literally couldn't be happier with him. Literally, they've sorted it out. The screamer pipe's working a treat. That is not going anywhere at all. What else? The engine mounts, as you can see right down there, they work absolutely spot on. The car feels amazing. Not too much shake in the cabin, but just enough to know that, yeah, this has got aftermarket engine mounts. Now, one thing that from day one this car has been missing is, you'd have seen it by the title and the thumbnail, I don't know why I'm making a build up, a fucking exhaust. At the moment we've got obviously the custom downpipe from TDI North, which is very, very nice. And we have got, you've seen it in a video a while ago, the Malian, I think it's called, back box, which does sound very, very nice. We're still running the standard mid pipe, like the standard complete OEM standard mid pipe. Now luckily it is 2.5 inch, so it does marry up to the downpipe and the back box, but you know for a fact we don't like standard shit. Now this car, when you're giving it some, all you can really hear is the screamer pipe. Can't hear much exhaust noise. That's got to change. This is my fun car. I don't rely on this. This is, I can be Asbo in this because I drive it when I'm in the mood to drive it. So we've got this bad boy. This is just from eBay, like 60 quid. Been told these are very, very good. It literally is scaffolding with a few welds in it. Let's be fucking real. But this is by a company called Hoffman. This isn't sponsored. I literally bought this off eBay, 60 quid, and apparently they are better than the OEM centre pipes. Now somewhere around here there'd have been a resonator, like a silencer, that is gone with this one. And another reason I'm doing this is because currently I'm kind of borrowing a mid pipe from Steve and Ali, so I need to give that back. So this has arrived today and we're down here at S.P.A and we're going to get it installed. But first, I always forget to do this in my videos. Let me just, there we go. I always forget to do this in the videos. Let me do a quick little before so we can get an after shot, because a lot of you guys like to know what it sounded like before, what it sounds like after. So yeah, just to recap, custom downpipe, all 2.5 inch, custom downpipe, complete OEM standard mid pipe with a Malian back box. Let's get some sound tests. Ali! Yeah, but I like your cap.
I like your cap, G.
So yeah, that is what it sounds like at the minute. Does sound quite nice, don't get me wrong, but it still sounds very, oh, that's got an exhaust on it. Whereas I want it to sound like, shit, that's got an exhaust on it. So yeah, this is what we're installing today. We're just going to quickly wait for a ramp to be free. They've offered me to come down here and fit it. Me and Ali are going to quickly whip the original one off, whack that one on, and we're going to do a little drive afterwards. Obviously sound comparison, etc, etc. So he's just going to get an MX5 off the ramp, then we're going to jump on and get to work. And as always, if you're going over anything that's more than 1 centimetre high, oh god, look how bare it looks. Yeah, need to take the side skirts off. This is why when I took the car to Firefly, I opted for them to be removable. As you can see with this blue one, this is actually a Firefly kit. This is supercharged. I think it's about 150 brake, but as you can see, he got his bonded on. Now the only issue with that is, one, it does look good, but if he ever dints his front wing or gets a little ding in the back quarter, if you wanted to take the wing off, you're pretty stuck with the side skirts on. So that is why I opted for mine to be removable, and I wouldn't be able to get it on a fucking ramp either way. So yeah, let's get it in.
My car's going to be very loud.
Are you sick of seeing me yet, Steve?
Nah, you're alright.
I was going to say, you've only got yourself to blame for making me fall back in love with it, so...
Well,
Hey up. Right then. I told you I'd give you your centre pipe back. It was on loan. Here it is. Ooh, that's a... Oh no, we're all good. We're all good. So yeah.
not skinned it, have you?
No, I haven't actually. Yeah, this is pretty much the bit we're replacing. Just the centre section goes from, like I said, the custom down pipe all the way back to the... How do you pronounce it? Is it Malian? The back boxes? The Malian? Does it sound
I think
like?
that's the material, isn't it? I believe.
God knows, but yeah, this back box, so to say. Right, let me get the spanners out, or people will start moaning. See, boys, I do work on my own car. Right, I've got the shot. It looks alright. Yeah. Right, let's give it a start. That was how big the silencer was, so I don't know if it made much difference, but we'll find out.
Ready?
Yeah. Yeah, I do think that is quite loud, isn't it? Right, so after a bit of kerfuffle, after trying to make sure it's not knocking, banging off anything, the boys have sorted it. Let me get a round of fist bumps, fellas. There's one, there's two, there's three, four. So yeah, we're going to go take it for a rip. It is quite loud, but luckily when you turn it on and it's just ticking over, it isn't actually that loud. So hopefully my neighbours don't complain too much, but couldn't give a damn. Roof down. Let's test it out. Oh, that sounds nice.
That
actually.
is nice.
That has got a nice little burble to it.
It's not raspy either, though. Like,
Well, I wouldn't speak too soon. Well, I'm hoping that when the raspiness comes in, the turbo comes in, so it mutes it a bit.
mutes it, yeah.
It's loud, isn't it? But then again, that's what I wanted. I wanted it to match its presence.
Exactly.
Yeah, that is quite loud.
Oh, mate.
Fuck it. Like I said, I wanted it to just be Asbo, so.
Oh, it does go well though, doesn't it?
It pulls decent for
Really
what it
does.
is. I mean, I had a lot of people commenting, oh, that's not much horsepower for what it is, but you've got to think, little rear wheel drive car like
They
this,
don't weigh anything.
they
That's
feel
cool.
nippy with 110 brake.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh my god, that's loud. That's way loud.
That's so loud. Mate, it just sticks to the road.
Man, that is Asbo, innit?
It's fucking mental. I like it, bro.
I quite like it.
I really like it.
I think it suits the car, doesn't it?
Fucking hell.
That sounds like flames.
I reckon.
Do you know what I mean? So you've got the bangs and pops, but you can hear it when it's a flame. sounds like on camera, but it actually doesn't sound bad. It doesn't sound, doesn't really sound boy racer, does it?
No.
Like, I thought it may sound, you know, when you straight pipe a 1.2 Corsa.
Yeah, it is.
I thought, oh, it's going to be raspy
Can
like
be.
that, but the little burbles as well when you're coming down sound gorgeous.
Yeah.
It is, it just brings a smile to your face, doesn't it? Like, it may not be everyone's cup of tea. Some people might not like the body cut, some people might not like the way it sounds, but it brings a smile to my face.
Yeah.
And that's all I'm really bothered about.
Fucking hell.
It sounds sick, mate. It sounds awesome.
Are you happy with it?
Yeah, very. Very. Fucking van sending it. Big up the transit. Oh, she flamed. Right, just for the record, you'd have seen the GoPro shots. That's just so it don't vibrate off the bloody bumper. I need to get it sorted out. I think it's to do with the downpipe not sitting flush or something, but that's the reason for the tape. But she does flame very, very large now compared to what it used to, but yeah, very happy. Right then, I'm a very, very happy bunny, just got home. I just want to give once again an absolute huge thank you and shout out to S.P.A. Paul, Steve and Ali, thank you so much for letting me use the ramp today, even jumping in and helping out yourselves, which you didn't have to do. This sounds sick. If you ever see me in person or hear it in person, you'll agree 100% it sounds spot on for how it looks now. So yeah, very happy bunny. It's getting there now, we're getting through the niggly bits, and yeah, I think we're going to get it retuned as well, and maybe change the intercooler for a better flowing one so we can get hopefully some more power. So yeah, if you did enjoy the video, please remember to like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.